It's just fun. The color pops, it's very retro, it's cheerful. I really love the fact that on an older body style, you can have a lot of today's amenities that you would have in another car or vehicle. I was floored at how fast, once all the selections were made on the front end, that you guys could execute the build and then be in the driveway able to drive. The communication, the reviews, the quality of the build, it's first class. So we've got 2 young girls who are super busy with soccer and activities. We love living in Austin and being outdoors, which is a big part of why we wanted the Bronco. We swim a lot, we cook a lot, and entertain a lot. I've owned Tahoes over the years, always kind of big SUVs. And when I was 5 years old, my dad had a Chevy pickup truck that I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and always wanted to have my own kind of pickup or Bronco. And I love just the retro nostalgia of it. When I came across Velocity, I had been doing some research trying to find a Bronco. My parents have owned vintage cars over the years, and I lack the skill set of getting under the hood and knowing all of the things. And so I was really drawn to Velocity because it gave me the body and nostalgia of a 77 Bronco, but modern day engine, equipment. I don't have to spend my weekends on maintenance or, taking it into the shop. And that was really the biggest appeal to me. When I came across Velocity and, fell in love with just the look of everything, got in contact with them, and Jared immediately reached out. We started a dialogue going back and forth, mapping out kind of the process and all the choices. Colored chips were sent really fast. I think that was probably the hardest decision, was picking a color, because you guys have so many to choose from and so many options. So the buying process and the pre-buying was really simple and easy and straightforward. I had not told my girls or my husband that I had done all of this. So it was a very big, magical day full of surprises when he pulled up with the trailer, took the Bronco off, and we got in for our first spin around the neighborhood. Definitely owning a Velocity Bronco 77 is a bucket list item for me. From the time I was a little girl, I always wanted a Bronco, and if I have a rough day at work or if I'm on the way to the soccer fields, just being able to drive it, rock out, it's just fun. It's the color pops, it's very retro, it's cheerful. It really has been like a family affair. The relationship didn't stop just when the transaction stopped. So I'm just keeping in touch. If I ever have a question about something on the vehicle, Jared's always available to answer those questions and help navigate. We're huge fans of Velocity and would definitely highly recommend it to friends and family. One of the best decisions I've made. You guys made my dreams come true, being able to drive a 77 Bronco with Velocity and customize it to what I wanted. And it's amazing to drive.